Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal. I'm Pooja, and today I'm going to share with you one of the chicken dishes like this made in skewers. Not your regular kebabs, it's from India, the Reshmi kebab. Now also sometimes it is known as the Malai tikka kebab. So the Reshmi means in Indian means it's silk. So this kebab is so soft and it is almost like a silky texture. So that's why it is known as Reshmi kebab, and sometimes called as Malai kebab too, or Malai tikka kebab, because it has cream in it, that is Malai. So that's why, and it's very soft and smooth in your mouth. So let me show you how to do it. To start with, we are taking about 4 to 5 chicken thigh which are cut into cubes like this. You can use chicken breast too, but these are much more juicier because they have the fat content in it. And so to that we are going to add about 2 tablespoons of lime juice and 2 tablespoons of garlic paste and 1.5 tablespoons of ginger paste. And to that we are adding 2 tablespoons of cilantro and green chili paste. If you want to omit the green chili, that's fine too, just add the cilantro paste. And to that we are going to add about 1 teaspoonful of pepper powder, black pepper powder. And then we are adding salt. Now this is the half the salt because we are going to add the other half during marination, the second marination. So we are going to mix all of them together, and then we'll keep it in the fridge and marinate for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes I'm going to show you with the second marination. So with the second marination, this is after 15 minutes, we are going to add about 1 cup of Greek yogurt or just a hung yogurt. Then to that I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of almond paste. You can use cashew paste too. And then we are going to add half a cup of heavy cream, and to that we are going to add about 2 teaspoonfuls of coriander powder and the garam masala. I have the measurements in the description box. And then we are adding the fenugreek leaves. This is 1 teaspoonful, and we are going to crush them in between our palms, and that releases the oil and the sweet flavor of the fenugreek leaves. Then we are going to mix all of them together. Now at this point we are going to add the rest of the salt. Again, mix all of them together. And now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, or you can use, if you don't have cornstarch, you can use the chickpea flour or besan for a binding agent. So now we are going to marinate this for at least 30 minutes to overnight. And now we are, after the second marination, we are going to put it in the skewers, just like that. Let me change my hands, it's easier. Now this will make usually about like 4 skewers, but I'm done with the I'm showing you with the 2 skewers. So I'm brushing them with just a plain vegetable oil, and I'm going to put them on the heated grill. So we're going to cook about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, depending on the size of your the chicken pieces, like the thickness of it. So once they are brown on one side, we are going to turn it. Just like that. Then we'll grill the other side too. And we'll brush with some oil in between. And once this other side is grilled too, we are going to take the chicken skewers out. So we are ready to serve, and let me show you how I'm plating. So I have a plate here. I'm going to take this chickens out, and you can see how soft they are. They're just falling off from the skewer. The more you marinate, the better they are. So I'm going to serve them with a green coriander chutney, and look at them. They are so soft and juicy and succulent. Then they justify the name, the Reshmi kebab, the Silky kababs. Hopefully you're going to make it soon, and please do make it. And look at this, they look so pretty. Please do make it and tag me and share the pictures. See you next time. Please do subscribe, like and comment on my YouTube channel, Simply Saffron by Pooja Seal, and don't forget to push the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.